Hey everybody, it's Ty Warner with Taika Engineering / Kissoff Tech Support. I want to talk today just briefly about a couple of changes or differences in the user interface between 2019 Kisses and 2020 Kisses. So I just grabbed a two-stage helical gearbox. It already has an interface. I want to click on the interface and you can see I typed in gear 1 and I typed in face width. If you open this up, it'll be a blank screen. Uh, the only thing to be populated will be these up here. Um, so what we're going to do is we're going to add the face width for this gear 1, 2. And if we click on this calculation element in the tree properties window, here's the face width for gear 1. And if I right click and drag and then release the right click button, I get these three options. And if I put it in as an expression, it's a black, like the 6.59, it's going to be black. I can't change it. If I enter it as a reference, it's 15, it's red, it means I can change it. That's this gear right here, this little one, pinion. So if I change this to say 30, you can see how automatically it changes that to 30. And now I can run this calculation and I get some result, right? Really easy to do. Now for 2020, the same file, okay, two-stage helical gearbox, 2020 version, you see 2028.1. I go to the user interface, I type in gear 1, face width, and I want to do the same thing, right? So I right click, properties window, I grab this face width, which is this variable B1. And now if I do a right click and drag it, it automatically puts this in as an expression number. So I can't change that, right? I can edit it and I can copy this. So here's the expression, right? I do a control C. Now I have to make a change right here, reference to real. I type in a quotation mark, paste that back in with a quote, and now it's a red number. I can change this, change it to 30. There it is, right? There's an easier way. It's a little different than what we did with 2019, but it's along the same lines. So if I grab this B1 and I do a left click and I drag it, and then as I'm holding the left mouse button, I click the right mouse button and release the left mouse button, I get this little little file window, and I can insert as a reference there. So again, it's you have to left click and drag, press the right mouse button, release the left mouse button, and then I have this and I can enter it. Okay. So that's the difference between those two things. And I was a little frustrated with this initially because I didn't realize that was a change. So there's a little bit of a change. There's an extra button in here that we got to push, but it's not terrible. Maybe they'll change it back the way it was in a new release. I don't know. I've talked with the development guys, and so they're looking at if that's something they want to do. But so don't get frustrated with trying to enter those in. 2020 is a good program. It really does a lot of nice things. It's got the new ISO spec in it. Use it. If you run into problems, get a hold of me. You can get a hold of Brian Springer over at Gleason as well, and we'll take care of you and make sure you're on the right track. So thanks for watching. This is Ty Warner with Taika Engineering and Kissoff Tech Support.